Yeah. Okay, good. So we have a noon sakin, right? Followed by the letter wow. Okay? So this is going to be one of the letters. First of all, it's going to be one of the letters of idgham. So in if we look at this in kind of a flowchart fashion, we first look at what letter does it fall into. So if we go back to the first page, it has to fall into one of these four categories. We know that if we have a noon sakin or tanween, it's going to be into one of these four. So we box it into the category of idgham, okay? And then within idgham, we continue on the flowchart. This is going to be which one? This is with ghunna, okay? So now you've identified it at least. And that's really important to understand when we're reading, to be able to identify where it actually, where it ends up on this chart. So now what do? So we said that there's assimilation. So we assimilate the noon sakin with the waw. So instead of saying minwa, we'd say miunwa. Miunwa. Okay? So this is people find this one tricky. So it's miunwa. So say it. Miunwa. Yeah. So it's complete it's not complete assimilation actually, but it's partial assimilation. We still retain some quality of the noon. We don't say muwa, we say miwa, and in that retention of the noon, we hear it, and we also do a ghunna. So what is ghunna? Ghunna is extending it for 2 beats. So how is this correctly pronounced? Yeah. Okay, so it'd be min waraihim, min wara. So min is the ghunna sound for 2 beats. So try it. Yeah, min waraihim. Okay, so that's going to be one example. Another one, we can say. It's supposed to be 3 dots. Okay, so how about here? Okay, so that's actually something that we'll come to. So he said there's a shadda on the ya. Okay? So the shadda is a writing configuration to indicate that there's actually a shadda here too. Yeah. And so the shadda actually helps us in identifying this rule. So sometimes people don't know the rule, but you'll see the shadda and you'll know what to do. So the shadda is actually, if we want to break it down, it's going to be a noon sakin followed by a ya. So when a noon sakin is followed by a ya, we know we're going to do idgham. And then we have to look and see if it's in the yanmu category or the lar, the lam and ra. So we find that it's with the ghunna. So we say man yasha. So try it. Yeah, so the ghunna of 2 beats is really important because a lot of times people just say man yasha. Actually, a lot of people just say man yasha, right? But man yasha is not correct. Man yasha is with no ghunna. That's idhar. So we have to say man yasha. So let's take some examples. Okay, so we did ya and wow. Now let's say we have okay. How about this? We have a noon sakin followed by another noon. Okay? So this one's actually the definition of a shadda. So we have 2 noons back to back, and this is going to be an idgham. So we assimilate the first noon into the second one. So we say a shadda. And in the practical application of it, this is a complete idgham. So we said there's a breakdown in idgham of with ghunna and without, and there's also another way to break down the flowchart, which is idgham naqis and idgham tam. Means complete idgham and partial idgham. Okay? And so I'll actually explain that. So this is actually a complete idgham. So when we said miwa, we were holding on to some of the noon. Here, it's like this. Right? We just say lan nad'uwa. Lan nad'uwa. So everybody say it. Lan nad'uwa. Right. Lan nad'uwa. And if we want to say sure. Okay, so good. So there's a noon sakin followed by another noon. Okay, so we're doing idgham and we're doing with ghunna. So how do you combine a noon with another noon? Yeah, you just put a shadda on it, right? It's just so it's you can't say anything else. So you just say lan nad'uwa and you hold it for 2 beats. Anytime you have a noon shadda or a meme shadda, you're going to hold it for 2 beats. That's the rule. Okay? So here we would say lan nad'uwa. So try it. Yeah. So another example, if we want to say okay. So this is a good one. Try it. Right. Yeah. I mean, so somebody could read this. If this was pure Arabic, a person would say min man ma'ak. Min man ma'ak. But how do we correctly pronounce it? Yeah. Mim man ma'ak. Okay? So we have a shadda on this meme and a shadda on this meme. Okay? So we say mim man ma'ak. So everybody say it. Good. So this is basically easy because we're doing noon sakin. So I said each one of these rules are a little bit trickier when we do them with tanween, even though it's the exact same. It's just harder for people to conceptualize that tanween has the same rule. So if I want to say okay. So let's just say we stop here, right? So what's happening first? Let's identify where we see what. Okay. So the first one is here. We have a dhammatain, which is a tanween, followed by a ya. So that's going to be what? Good. So that's going to be idgham with ghunna. Okay, and then what's next? Good. We have a tanween kasra now. Okay, here, followed by a noon. So in this ayah, we have 2 examples of idgham bil ghunna. Idgham with ghunna. So again, a person could say wujuhun yawma idhin na'ima. But we add shaddas. Okay. And we say wujuhun yawma idhin na'ima. Actually, I don't believe there's a shadda here. And I'll explain why, actually. This is